Hi, Nick. So this is an existing issue and might not be related to this task, but just wanted to bring it to your notice. So see, I have enabled this bank ACH and saved the changes. Now if I go back and disable it, after saving, I'm still able to see the details that I entered after selecting this. I'm not sure if it is by design, and this is happening on staging and live too. So, not sure if it is by design, but if I just navigate to other page and come back to bank ACH and then select it, then all the details are getting vanished. Yeah. So, just wanted your confirmation on this if it is by design or this is something we may want to fix it. Thank you.